Hey guys, it's Megan here from the Butterbean Shop, and I'm so happy I'm gonna do an unboxing for you today. And this is my very special mail from Royal Appleberry. I just love her. I swear we are sisters at heart. You know, I've never met her in person, but I feel like I know her. So hi, Kenny. She's definitely, you know, a part of my Soapy family, and you know, I just love her. So anyway, I had to buy some of her soaps, and you know, I always support my fellow soapers whom I just love and adore. She's like one of my very favorite ones, and she's actually one of the reasons why I started filming my soap making. So I saw some of her recent soaps, and I just had to purchase. I've purchased from Kenny in the past, and a lot of times we have this running joke about how my husband steals all of my Royal Appleberry soaps, the pretty ones, the ones that have like the mermaid tails and the glitter, and they smell like fruit and flowers. Yeah, I never get to see any parts of those because my husband steals them. So anyway, I just absolutely love how she stamped, I'm gonna cover how she stamped my package. Thank you, Kenny. And I'll go ahead and open. I'll put you guys down so you can see me opening it. And you see I haven't opened it yet, so I'll do that now. And she tucks the ends, which I like. I have OCD, so tucking the ends and doing all this extra stuff, that's just music to my eyes. As you know, music to my eyes. So perfect. So go ahead and open this up.
Hello.
Hey, Sayla.
I'm just wearing my little comfy blanket.
Okay, is your bed made?
No.
Okay, go tell Jada to make your bed. Oh, I got a rose box.
If you didn't know, Mommy's going on vacation with Daddy.
I am. I'm going to Hawaii. I can't wait for our anniversary. She's a little sad, but she'll be fine. You know, Mommy and Daddy need some alone time. Okay. Ooh, look. It says, "Thank you for helping my small business grow." Let me see if you guys, I'll probably have to bring you guys over this way. Okay. Can you see? It says, "Thank you for helping my small business grow." I don't know if it's backwards for you, but that's what it says. And I just love the box. Oh, so beautiful. I just love it, Kenny. I can't wait to use it. Okay. Okay. Sorry guys, I had to clean my nails. Hands are a little looking rough. Yeah, sorry, excuse my hands looking all rough. I was cleaning. Okay. Oh, it says, oh, I just love, oh, look at the little ribbon. Oh, Kenny, you're so sweet. Look at how beautiful this packaging is, guys. Isn't that just beautiful? I just love the packaging. Kenny, and you know, it's pink, which is my favorite color. Oh, just love it. Just love it. All right, now let's see what's in here. And you know, she sends a little note. And I will unwrap. And there's a sticker that says something beautiful inside. And girl, don't I know it? I know there's something beautiful inside. Let's go ahead and open it. Look at this. Oh, look. Oh, Kenny, you so sweet, girl. She gave my husband some samples. Oh, he's gonna love this. It says, "For hubby, manly man." That's what this is. Ooh, girl. Stop it, Kenny. This smells so good. Ooh, girl, I'm gonna have to buy this for him. Oh, I love it. He's gonna love this. Ooh, I'm buying this. Girl, you sold me. You sold me. I hope there's still some left. I'm about to go buy some. And this one is also for the hubby. Thank you, girl. Thank you. Thank you so much. Ooh, leather and wood. This smells amazing. This smells so good, you guys. Leather and wood. I love it. I love it. Okay, so now we're going to get into my stuff. Okay. Bedazzling. Now, I love how Kenny uses the impression mats on the sides. I absolutely love it, girl. I mean, I know that people do it, but you do it so well. So, okay, guys, I had to come back because my daughter came down and she hurt her finger. I had to go get her some ice. So, this one is called Bedazzled. And like I said, I love how she uses the impression mats for her sides. I think it's so dope. I know that other people do it, but she just does it so well. Oh, and this smells so good. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. And I just love the colors. And then the subtle, I don't know if you guys can see because of the light, but the subtle marbling that she did with this swirl, it's so pretty. It's so feathery. I love it. Delicate. Beautiful. And then this one I got Refined Beauty. And the reason why I like this and the reason why I got this is because it looks like marble, you guys. Oh, and it smells so good. It looks like marble. And let me tell you, her soaps are so hard. They're super hard. And but yeah, it looks just like marble and I love it. And then I got So Posh. I got this because I love these the tops of this is so pretty. She put these little feathers on there. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, and it smells so good. I get sort of like a creamy kind of apple-y fragrance. I don't know. It smells good, but it's just right up my alley. I love fruity florals, and that's what this gives me, a fruity floral. I think I'll use this one first, and I will put it in I will use it, because I'm going to give him these that smell so good, but I'm going to give my husband these, and he cannot touch these. Do you hear me? Are you listening? He cannot touch these. These are for him, and I will buy him some more man soaps. But those are mine. And then this is Sapphire and Stone. And again, like I loved the in the Pots world. She's a master at these. And then when I saw this on the website, I was like, that looks so interesting. It looks like kind of like a those like stained glass. I don't know if it's called stained glass. Help me out, people. What's it called? You know, when they have the decorative pieces of glass in, I forgot what it's called, but decoupage, is that what it's called? I think it's called decoupage. I'm not sure. Please correct me if I'm wrong. I think it's decoupage, but that's what it looks like here, and it's beautiful. Oh, I love it. And I love how she only put it at the bottom. And it smells so good. It smells like bamboo and mint. It smells like that fragrance, and it's my favorite. It's one of my favorites. It's one of my favorite. I just absolutely love it. And then I got Beguiling, and I've seen her make this before, and I have not purchased it before, and I've always wanted to because I love how it's so simple, but it's so pretty. You know, simplicity goes far. And it's floral, and I love it. I absolutely love it. Now this one is more unisex. So I wouldn't mind if my husband used it. I mean, we both use the soap, so it's fine sometimes. But we have another bathroom that he also uses with his son, our son. And it's his son when he takes my soap, but our son, and it's in my son's bathroom. So sometimes he takes it and puts it in that bathroom, and I don't get to use it. But this is more of a unisex soap, so I wouldn't be mad if he used it in my bathroom. But yeah, he's not touching these right here. These are all mine. These are mine. So we've got these beauties here, and let me tell you guys, she has her recipe down. I've used her soaps in the past, and they're so moisturizing, and they're so bubbly, and they're so creamy. So you guys please go buy her soaps. And I know she has a ton of followers, and she's been doing this for a very long time, but she's so good at her craft, and I love it, and I will be purchasing these. This one definitely smells like a man. It smells like a brand new leather car seat. Like if you got into a brand new Mercedes, this is the seat. This is what it smells like. It smells good. And then this one, you guys, it smells like a nice, clean, fresh out the shower man. Okay, I love it. So Kenny, I love you, girl. Thank you so much for my goodies. You guys go check her out at Royal Appleberry. She's the bomb. I love her so much. Kenny, I love you. Mwah. And I hope Gabe is recovering well, and we're praying for him over here. I would bring my husband down here so he could say thank you, but he's upstairs taking a shower. I just really, you guys need to go over to Royal Appleberry. She also, if you didn't know, which I'm sure you already do know because she has tons of followers, she has a YouTube channel, and she also has an Instagram. I don't know what her Instagram handle is, but I'll put it in the description below so that you can get the Instagram handle. So guys, until next time, thank you, Kenny. Take care. Bye.